Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the power status on your Xiaomi LED Desk Lamp 2. The power status will change whether your lamp will turn on or off after power returns, if you for example have power outage. So to do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then go to power status, and now you can set it to restore, so it will just revert to the previous state that was there before the power went out. You can also set it to turn on, so whenever the power returns, it will turn on the lamp automatically, or turn off, so the lamp will turn off after power returns. So I'm gonna set it to turn off, then confirm, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.